Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add payment method in Bybit. First of all, you need to launch your Bybit mobile application and here on the home page select the P2P trading option. Now the P2P trading option I'm choosing because in most of the countries this option might be available, but if you don't want to add your payment method this way, then you can even select the payment method by tapping on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. So if in your country the banking payment method or the fiat currencies is available, then it is very easy for you to add the payment method into your Bybit account. So since we are in the P2P trading page, you just have to simply tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner and select user center. Now select the payment method option and here you need to tap on the add now option. After that, you will be able to see a bunch of different payment methods like your cards, your banking details, PayPal, etc. So you just have to select your preferred payment method and provide the details associated with it. After that, you just have to simply follow the instructions in order to successfully add your payment method, and it will show you over here. Now with the help of that payment method, you can send and you can receive the money from and to into your bank account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.